Hello everyone, this is Tom from Stock Navigators and this is a weekly market forecast for the week of October 5, 2020. If you have been following me in my YouTube channel, every day in our live trading room, I look at the chart to analyze and give out a short-term price direction for my members to make some extra daily income and analyze a long-term stock price direction for swing trade so that I can make a bigger profit potential. Last couple of weeks, as I warned you that September will be a best month for stock market, as we can see that the market is in correction cycle, and we have a short-term bounce back in the previous Friday, and then last Friday when the news come out when the president and his wife get infected by the COVID-19, the market will drop again and put it below the 50 moving average. So we know that October, the first couple of weeks of October, will be the most volatile month. So that's why we have to be careful. So right now, the market is still sideways, up and down, trying to find the way that they can push it up. So which I'm going to analyze on the chart so that you can see it later. We will continue to monitor and looking at the chart day by day, and then we can post it so you can see where it may go next. Now this week, I want to see it on Monday to see how Mr. Trump is doing. And then we're looking for the result of the second stimulus bill to see how they come up with and what they can do. So those things are that important thing for next week, that we have the market to find a clear direction to move in the future. The market will do whatever it wants to do. As a trader, we only focus on the chart. The price on the chart will tell you everything. As stock navigators, we will help you to learn and understand how to read the price chart by using a modern technical analysis and understand the crowd psychology so that you can buy with high probability of winning and low risk trade. This is the only technical skill that you should learn before you start buying any stock, and so that you can manage your own financial future like 401k or IRA account. But we understand that it's hard for you to know everything overnight, so that we will mentor you every week until you are successful. And we will guide you every day in our live trading room so that you can follow along and see how the price action in real time, so that you can make some extra daily income and manage your own stock portfolio. Like if you look at here on Friday, when after Mr. Trump he turns out that he get infected by the coronavirus, the market it pushed it down hard, and then they slam it down overnight. And in the morning, when the people start look at the CNBC or look at the news, everything out there is the best news. The people scared, they start sell up the position, they try to short the market. In our live trading room, 15 minutes before the market open, we are confidently and tell our members we all go long. So we all go long when the market open at 6:30 Pacific time. We all go long, we push it back up from the bottom to the top to the resistance level here. We can gain at $50, and this is what we do every day in our live trading room to trade the future E-mini SB 500. So we're able to gain the 50 points from the bottom to the top, and every point move in the ES future is $50. So 50 points that that you can make at $2,500 within the first hour of trading, and then you're done for the day. And if you still hang in there, you can make even one more round in this side here, and after that market goes sideways. So this is what we are doing every day in our live trading room. If you are our member, we will guide you so that you know where the market heading every single day. And beside that, we also do a lot of index analysis. For example, like YM. Right now, we look at YM, you can see that the market is stabilized here. So the market come down, they push it back up, they come back down, they follow support. So if they be able to follow support here, this is in terms of technical analysis, we call invert head and shoulder. If they be able to push it back up, they hold up here, they break out, we have more room to go to the upside. So that's for the Dow. For the NQ, which is the technology stock, they also have the same pattern here. They have a left, and then the head and the right shoulder. If they be able to break out that level here, we'll be able to go up and test the pivot high here. This one we call the invert head and shoulder pattern also. So the market right now, we really want to see, a sideways choppy a little bit, but at the end of the day, we will find a way to go higher. And the Russell 2000 is very strong. You can see that they pull back to the support. Right now, they pull back up. And if they be able to break out this downtrend line here, they will continue to the upside. So that's why it's a lot more skeptical. They try to bounce from the downside to the uptrend right now. Gold, it also find a way to push it back up into retest the downtrend line here. If they be able to break this downtrend line here, they will continue to put into the upside. Oil is on a sideways correction, as you can see here. They go here, they hit the resistance, the gap is still here, so they pull back down. So as long as they can stable somewhere here, they'll be able to break out here, and then they will find a way, okay, to put into the upside. And right now they are still in the correction. Bond, it couldn't go higher. After they come back, they retest the moving average, couldn't go higher, so people slam it down again. So let's see what they are going to do next week. But look at the trend, it's still sideways, but toward more the downside. Okay, and look at the euro. It also stabilized at this level here. They need to pull back above this level here in order to go higher. Otherwise, they are still in the sideways correction here until they be able to break out in the upside. And the Bitcoin, it also found a support here. So they go up, they hit the resistance, they pull back down, they come back, they hit to the sell zone, they pull back. So if they to be able to hold up here, they be able to break this downtrend line here, it will see more upside in the Bitcoin in the future. And a lot of stock that you can see right now. Last week, a lot of technology stock that still go sideways correction. So that's why we leave them a couple days so that to see where they go, like Apple. So after they pull it back down, okay, and then they hold it up here, and now they push it back up. They hit some resistance, they pull back down. So if they stabilize at this level here, okay, and then a couple of days they build a base, and before they can break this level, and they will resume the upside, okay. And if you look at the every week that I will look at some sector, which one is doing well, and then I will pick some strong stock in that sector, and then we can analyze it. You can see how the chart look like, so that you can see everything is on the chart. The price on the chart will tell you everything. So this week I look at a strong sector that try to rebound. It's like utility sector. It try to, after the long sideways here, seem like they find a way to break up to the upside. And IWM, which is a Russell 2000 ETF, it also found a support, and then seem like they try to find a way to break out to the upside. The sector, a lot of sector like regional bank, it also stabilize and try to find a way to put it back on the 5-day. Even though on the 5-day the market is going down, but the regional bank is try to find a way up, which I'm going to show you later. And XLRE, and this sector, the real estate, and anything that relates to the real estate, loan, private lending, or the home builder, or the company that supply for home builder, they all take advantage, and then look like they are still very strong. They try to turn around with a big candle move to the upside right now. So first of all, let's look at the real estate sector, because in this sector it try to turn around quickly here. So a couple of stocks that we want to take a look, like PSM, okay, so Pure Group, that one is very strong. After they get stuck at this resistance level here, and then they try to build a base for the last 1.5 months. Now it seems like they try to find a way to put it to the upside. You see a lot of builder like KB Home, they are also trying to find a way up. DHI, that's another builder that's very strong. They try to find a way up. Okay, Toll Brothers, those companies that we have been told you in the last couple of weeks, and then they still continue to the upside. And those supply like door, like okay, the supply for the home builder, they are also doing well after they pull back. Now they find a way to gain some momentum into the upside. And CCI, that's another REIT related to the real estate. They're doing well after a long couple month correction. Now they'll be able to break out and find a way to push it back up. And then they also give you a good yield money also, so that that high yield stock, that good. Okay, so and a lot of public storage they also doing well. As you can see that the public storage they also very strong after the pullback. Now they find more momentum to the upside. Extra storage. Seem like people stay home, they clean up their house, find a place to store it. So those stocks here it gain some momentum very strong. Even market is going down on Friday, but those stocks try to put it to the upside. And the banking and private lending and loan they also doing very well for those banks here. Okay, this one is one man holding. They're still doing well. They try to break out to the upside. ALLY. Another one that also find a way to put it back up. Okay, the retail sector, a lot of them are still doing well. Even market is going down on Friday, but those sporting good. Okay, summer still there, people to enjoy outside activity. So those things are still doing extremely well here. Why? So people to repair their home and then remodel. They Bed Bath Beyond, they still go up. We we show you, and we analyze this stock since before the end of September. Now they go very high. And LAD, that's another auto car dealer. They are still doing well after a long correction here, and then they break out, and the last 2 days they push it back up. And this is some of the stuff that we'd like to show you. This is what we're doing every day in our live trading room. We will analyze a lot of stuff for our members so that they can see where the market heading to ahead of the time before it moves. So like this one here, if you get in early here, that's a lot of money within 2 days. So this is what we have for you this week, and let's see how things go in next week, and then we will analyze, and then we will let you know every day. And if you like what I'm doing here for you, please give me a thumb up and sign up with our YouTube channel, so every time we have a new video, we will let you know. And if you would like to learn how to understand the financial market, how to join our community so that you can get the full support and you can trade, make some extra daily income, as well as you know how to handle your portfolio for the long term so that you can make more money. Again, thank you for watching. Good luck and see you next week.